Let's talk about concealer because I know you're struggling. Nah. I am not going to show you how to place your concealer. I am not going to show you how to keep it from creasing. I'm going to show you how to pick the right shade. And before we get into all that, hello, I'm Kat. I'm 51. I'm a celebrity pro makeup artist. I am an esthetician. I am a skincare expert and an anti-aging consultant. I am also your new BFF. The common theory out there is that we keep our under eyes lighter, right? We're going to apply like 1 to 2, 3 shades lighter concealer, then foundation, because you want to keep things bright. Under eyes need to be bright. Isn't that what they tell us? For today's little experiment, I am using Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Concealer. I am going to first use a lighter shade. This is shade number, I'm old. 160. We're going to apply it in the way I normally apply concealer, a dot there, and a little line there. That is a great lifting technique. If you have not watched my concealer application videos, we can do that together too. On the other side, I'm going deeper. I am going to apply shade 200 exactly the same way. Psst, I'm going to tell you a secret. Let it set for a minute. Do not rub your concealer right away. Let it kind of dry down before we blend. We are ready now. Let's tap this in. I tap concealer, I don't rub. Tap, 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 tap. Tap that in, tap that in, tap, 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 tap. Same thing, other side, but this time I will not sing, unless you want me to. And let me know in the comments if you like my tap, tap, taps, or if I should just done. Did I just bust all the myths for you? This side looks better. So why do we keep seeing such light concealer and then it all looks good in the end? Because they are applying layer after pound cake of other makeup to cover up the lightness of the concealer. On a mature skin, that is a bad move. Mature skins, we want less layers, especially under the eye. So keep your concealer almost the exact same shade or half a smidge lighter than the rest of your makeup, and you won't need to cover everything up. Now I can just do the rest of my makeup super smooth. I don't need to put anything on top of this because it already looks beautiful.